So while I'm here, I just thought I'd create another video, and this one's going to be about creating a compelling offer. Now, offers can be a really important part of a marketing strategy if you're trying to collect contact details from one of your prospects, because it can mitigate the risk of them contacting you and getting nothing in return. It can lower the buyer's resistance ultimately. So there's a few different ways that you can create an offer. It could be in the form of content, it could be in the form of a discount, but generally speaking, there's a few core components that you want to make sure you include when you create an offer. One of those is urgency. So having almost like a time limit, claim it within the next week is a pretty quick example. The other thing is scarcity. So you're only offering it to a limited number of people. And the other thing is it really does need to be compelling. And a good way to do that is to stack the offer, which means you could have multiple offers within an offer. And a creative way to think about this is, what are some common objections that people might have, some common challenges that people might have, some common reasons people might have to not fulfill your offer. If, for example, I actually found a really creative one by a dentist in Newcastle, and in his offer, he actually offers a free Uber to and from his practice with any surgery, which is pretty creative, So using that example, if you can start to think of offers, keeping in mind that you don't really want to devalue your product, i.e. discounts we try to steer away from, but what can you add to deliver more value, make it memorable, create some urgency and some scarcity to really try to collect people's contact details and initiate your sales process. Any questions, or if you've got some good examples of an offer that you've used, or you'd like us to potentially help you workshop one of your offers, just comment below and we'll try to help you out.